Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is how bad we had to route the fuel pump harness from front to now back, because there is absolutely no room for wiring harness. So I had to find a way to figure out how and where they routed the wiring for the back of this car, because it is an absolute pain in the you-know-what. But we figured it out. Bernsey was helping me. There's an extra hole right there that you see with 2 wires. So I had to go from that hole to the lower hole, I'll show you that in a second, where this wiring harness comes through, feed it up to that. Come on, phone, there we go. Do the adjustment to the wire, add to it, so that I can feed it through to here on a coat hanger and get it in place. Oops, sorry, my hands are in the way. So yeah, absolute nightmare. But I got to route the power steering, or the fuel pump wire here. I don't know if y'all can see that down there. That, the nice little pretty rainbow of colors, is the other wiring harness that goes into the body and then up into its own little channel. And if you didn't know the channel was there, you'd never know. To here, and then I got to route it to the back. So I finally got that done. It took me forever to find a way to do it. So we'll get that done, get that routed into place, and then I'll finish off with the turn signals, the brake light switch, and get that done. And then when Bobby shows up, we'll start doing more underneath the hood, I hope. If not, we'll just keep working along as we can. All right, thanks, guys. We'll see you.